Your account is already registered to another phone in Gcash. I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue step by step. First, why does this happen? Gcash links your account to one primary device for security. If you try logging in on a different phone, you may see this error. Here's how to fix it. 1. Uninstall and reinstall Gcash. Sometimes, clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app refreshes your access. Number 2. Use the registered device. If possible, log in on the original phone where your Gcash was last used. Third, reset your device list. Open the Gcash app and go to Settings. Manage devices and remove old devices. Fourth, you can verify your account. If your account isn't verified, complete the verification process to regain control. Last one is you can contact Gcash support. If nothing works, submit a ticket at help.gcash.com or simply call 2882.